Suddenly the factory, the management arranged for a health checkup for all the factory workers. Whereas this particular person, he is 50 years old, he doesn't want to go for the checkup because he might have developed some kind of, chronic disease. There is a story at home, like, brother has been affected. So he might have a concern in case if he has
Yeah.
got a diabetes or BP or some other disease, that could affect his normal functioning in the factory, and that might affect his career, and he might lose his job. So that's the reason he is hesitant, and he is
Yeah.
checking with you as a doctor that why I have to attend this medical health care, and why don't why the employers they need to know about us. It is our personal information why we have to share. So as a doctor,
Mm.
you have to inform. It is a wonderful opportunity that has been given by the organization free of cost, and health checkup is mandatory 40 plus for every person, and it is the right age for the person to go for the health checkup. And definitely the the privacy, that is the confidentiality would be maintained. Without the concern of the particular person, the medical issues will not be disclosed. So that
Yes.
guarantee and confidence that you have to give, and you have to convince the person to go for the medical checkup. That is the charisma.
Okay. Right.
Yeah. Would you try? You try to speak
Yeah.
in between
Yeah.
any corrections required. Yeah.
Yeah. Good morning. My name is Dr. Garima Arora. I'll be conducting your health checkup today. I understand that you have some concerns and questions regarding the health checkup. So, please tell me, how can I help you?
Well, good morning, Dr. Garima, and I'm really happy and extend my gratitude both to the organization, to you yourself. That is a good, service that you are into. My name is John. I'm 50 years old. I'm the breadwinner of the family. I have a dependent spouse and three children. But my concern at this moment, doctor, I don't want to go for this health checkup because I know the organization might get an opportunity to gather, they get into an access of my personal information, especially my physical condition. If they come to know, they could be in the upper hand to terminate, I might lose the job. So that's my concern. I'm not for this health checkup.
I understand your concern, John. Let me give you little information on this. First of all, whatever examination findings or the lab findings we have today, it will be confidential and it will remain between you and me. Until and unless you want to disclose it to your employer or anybody else, it would not be told. Also, these health checkups are it's an important. They're important, and they help in diagnosing silent diseases early, so that they can be managed and treated early and prevent further complications.
Well, doctor, I do understand. Definitely, doctors, you would not disclose the confidential matters of a particular person to others. But here, the entire situation is different because it's not a personal visit by me. It is an organization which is arranging for this. So definitely, employers would be scrutinizing. They could be inquisitive to know about the health condition of each and every worker. That's the reason they are arranging for it. So in that situation, how could you guarantee that you could be confidential?
See, the organizations always conduct these health checkups because they want their employees to be healthy. That improves their productivity, and it also helps them have decreased injuries at the workplace and decreased days of leave. That is the advantage they get. But yes, the confidentiality is maintained, and suggest we suggest the treatment to the patients, and that helps in the early diagnosis, early treatment, and that helps the employer also in the same way, that less number of days lost to leaves and sickness, and it improves productivity for them. So in
Yes,
the end, you are going to know about your own health, and you will be better informed, and we can catch and diagnose diseases early and probably start their treatment.
Exactly, you're right. That is really going to benefit a person. But honestly speaking, I would like to disclose my family situation. My older brother recently, a year ago, has developed diabetes when he was 50 plus. So that's my concern because I'm 50 plus. Generally, people say that, right? Diabetes is kind of disease. It is a genetic, chances for family members to inherit it. So that's my concern. If my organization comes to know about that I'm a diabetic patient and I need treatment, there could be a lot of chance for me to lose my job. Already I'm 50 plus, and if I lose my job, I would not get another job that easily. And moreover, it would really affect my, financial status and my family. That's my concern. I have openly disclosed why I hesitate, why I don't want to go for this health checkup.
I understand your concern, John. I agree that diabetes can have a genetic predisposition, and I understand that you are worried that you might have diabetes, but we would certainly not know without doing the test. And even if diabetes is, you are identified to have diabetes, you are diagnosed as diabetic, there are treatments available, so early treatment would lead to prevention of further complications of diabetes, because otherwise diabetes has severe long-term side effects, long-term complications. So they can be prevented early, and I don't think in that case you would lose your job, and your healthcare would not know until and unless you disclose it to your employers won't know until and unless you disclose it to them.
Right. So here, Karim, actually, you have to speak about the last point in your task. Like, you have to convince the patient and you have to recommend, in case if the patient has got diabetes, to take treatment from a local doctor on time. That could save his life, right? And
Okay.
because diabetes is not something taken for granted, proper dietary modification
Dietary
and
modification,
yeah,
lifestyle
dietary
modification.
modification, yeah, lifestyle modification, and regular medication is mandatory. So in case if the
Yeah.
person has got diabetes, it's the right time to take treatment and medication, and follow the proper change the lifestyle. If the patient has ignored it, that could complicate the situation, and sometimes it could lead to death. Right? So that
Right.
you have to ensure the patient that. So if the patient is saying this NOC because I'm afraid my brother has got this problem, if I have developed diabetes, I might lose my job. That there you have to say that. And honestly, I've told the truth, and for that you have to see. I really appreciate your honesty that you have disclosed your medical complications as well as family situation to a doctor like me, and that is so good about you. But one more thing I could tell you that, so this is a general medical assessment. If there is any complicated disease or chronic disease, we are having our own ethics and morals and principles to follow. We would not disclose it to the management. So that particular
Yes.
situation would be disclosed only to the concerned patient and their family. So if you,
Okay.
in case if you have the diabetes, I hope this is the right time that you could go for lifestyle changes and diet modification, regular exercise, along with
Yes.
treatment and medication. And if you are panicked and if you have fear, if you have doubt, I would speak to the management. That it is manageable with the treatment, and in no way it would affect your career and job. So that's the assurance
Okay.
from my side I could give that way. Okay.
All right. Okay.
You have to, because the patient is right from the beginning. I mean, not a patient. The person is right from the beginning speaking about I might lose the job. I might. So
Yeah.
job is
Yeah.
very important for financial. So you
Right.
have to gain confidence, and
Yes.
also you have to inform the person that in case it's such kind of disease, as the person is working in the organization, it is the responsibility of the organization to help the people medical treatment
Yes.
also, insurance coverage and
Okay.
all these things that they have to give.
Okay.
So it is a double way, dual purpose for this. They will come to know the disease and treatment on time. It is doubly going to help the concerned person.